Welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars, and it's time to open this package. I ordered something. It's one of my favorite cars, and it's inside of here. Okay, it's a die-cast model of my favorite car. It's a little bit small to fit in there. Boy, what a kit car that would be. But we're going to take a look at it. I want to open it up with you right now. While I'm doing that, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, make sure you don't miss any videos, and come back every day. We usually have something going on. Okay, here it is. Oh, this is so cool. Guys, it's a Matchbox. We're looking at Matchbox today. This is the Subaru SVX. Just because, for fun, I ordered two of them. The only thing I hate is the fact that they always get smashed up when they get delivered. I wish they would protect those a little bit better. I wish you could pay extra and say, hey, yeah, I need to make sure and it gets here in great collector shape. But that's okay. So they also put a big sticker here on the bottom, but that's all right. So this is the Subaru SVX. If you're not familiar with that, that was when Subaru decided they were going to make really a luxury as a touring car. And I've done a video on the SVX in my series of I have to have it or I want to have it. I'll be sure and put that so you can put that link on there. But I picked this bad boy up off of Amazon, and I love these cars. So I bought two because I'm going to open one and we're going to look at it, and then I'm going to keep the other one probably in the box. Neither one of these are what I would say are in great card condition. This one looks pretty good, so we're going to take care of that. We're going to do this here. You can spot the SVX on the road because of the inner window. So it had the window, but it had a separate window inside that would roll down. Here it is right here. I've taken it out of the box. We can look at it. You can see, oh, am I going the right way? You can see that it's open. So the inner window they have rolled down right now. This one does have a small spoiler on the back. This is the classic pearlized white with the black top. And I got to tell you what, that is just, for me, that is a super, super cool car. I've always wanted one. As you guys know, I go test drive just about everything that's out there. I did test drive these back when they were new, and I almost picked it up. It was very close. That would have been a 95, I think it was, 95. Yeah, this one's a 95. And I almost got it, and I almost got this exact same color. I love the pearlized white. I just thought those were great cars. I'm going to put it up here. Hopefully it's not too blurry. Hopefully you can see that okay. But anyway, so that's my pick today. That's what came in. Super excited to have this one, to add it to the collection. We'll probably have to throw this one back there on the wall. I got a lot of Hot Wheels back there. Let's take a look. As you can see, I got the roller coaster set up. I got the train going around. I'll show you guys more of that. Pretty much we'll only have Hot Wheels on the wall, so we'll be adding Matchbox today to add it to the wall as well. So that is the Subaru SVX. I just thought that was the coolest thing ever. Someone had posted that, I think on Instagram, I think it was. I can't remember who it was. I'll give them a shout out later, but I'm like, I gotta have one, and now I have one. So what's the newest car that you've picked up here lately? The one that you love? Be sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you have. If you've been able to find your dream car in a Hot Wheels, let me know that too. I think that's always cool. I love to learn it and learn and see what people have. I think that's amazing. So remember to like, comment, and share. Please share us with your friends. Let's talk about cars tomorrow.